Hey guys, I'm back. Happy belated Valentine's Day. I wanted to show you the card that my husband got for me because it's so cute. As you know, I have two cats, two Siamese cats, and he got me this card that has two cats on it. And then you open it up and it has pop-up of all these cute little kitties. And then this little tab like moves a couple of them. It's just so cute. And you can stand it up right here. So I have it like standing on my nightstand. But yeah, I just thought it was so adorable and I love cats. So I had to show you guys. Anyway, this week we are doing another squishy haul. We're doing a squishy haul because I have been shopping a little too much lately. I got some squishies from Wish, Amazon, and Deliteful Boutique. I'm really excited to take a look with you guys. Let's do it. First, we're going to look at squishies from Wish. And this first one I'm going to show you, I did unbox previously,
but it's been really fun to play with.
So let me introduce you to the baguette, or baguette. Not sure how to say that properly, but this is a squishy bread. I thought it was going to be a little more detailed looking. It looks kind of spray painted, but it's
so fun to squish.
It's really fun to squish. And it doesn't smell too bad. It doesn't smell like bread, but it's from Wish, so can't really expect it to be amazing. So yeah, that is the baguette. Baguette? I don't know. It is also unboxed already.
But I wanted to show you guys anyway.
This is pretty large. I didn't pay much for it at all. This one is also from Wish. Pretty squishy in itself as well. It's not like super soft. It's not super slow rising or anything, but it's fun to play with. It's kind of like
thicker dough.
But yeah, this is Galaxy Marshmallow. The next one is awesome. I've kind of been obsessed with bread squishies lately because I've been wanting to get one that actually smells like bread. Haven't been successful in that yet. I got a bear bread. Isn't it awesome? He's also unboxed already. Sorry guys, I'm very impatient. But anyway, he is so soft. Very cheap, but so soft. He's also from Wish. So squishy and slow rising. And it kind of does look like bread. So squishy, guys. So slow rising. Next packages are from Amazon. I saved these for you guys. First, trash bag. I got the cats on an ice cream cone. But yeah, they're so cute. I really wanted to decorate this. Love ice cream and I love cats. This is from Amazon. Yeah, super cute kitties. Next item I got from Amazon is the rainbow cheesecake. It's rainbow colored. It's made from I Bloom Tokyo. Oh, and this is a mini version. There is a much larger version, but it's a lot more expensive. So, wasn't really in my budget for that. It says it's designed in Japan. And it also says do not eat. So, non-edible here, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing. It's so soft. It smells like berry fruits. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. It's a little cake. Maybe I can find a little plate to put it on. I love this thing. That smells so good. Next one I have is a
Big one.
It's big. The s'mores. Look how big this thing is, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate, of course. Not the easiest to squish, but it is really big, so. And I know this is not like one of the biggest squishies out there, obviously, but it's big to me. Yeah, look at him. He's so big. I actually kind of do want to repaint this guy. I want to keep like his face because it's super cute, but maybe jazz it up. The first box from Deliteful Boutique, which is based in Australia. So I did take a couple weeks to get, but it is sliced and ready to be opened. So first thing you see is a nice little package. It has a little thank you card. Then how to win a free squishy, and then just
Shipping information.
oh, they even provided a free little squishy. Look at that. There. Just a little keychain one. Little panda bun. This is just so me. It's colorful and pastel and it's adorable. This is Harajuku Bear. I don't know. But this is him. Her. It also states on the back, do not eat. Apparently someone thinks this is pretty tasty.
It's so soft.
Oh, and it's so cute. It's a cute little bear and it has little hearts. Super squishy too. I love this thing. They did have other ones that are different colors, but this one spoke to me the most. Okay, I have two more. Let me move on. The sachet torte. This one is like a pastel-y gradient with drizzle and a little stars on it.
Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
Wow. And so slow rising. Guys, I recommend checking out this website. These are quality. I mean, nothing's perfect, obviously, because these are made of foam. It doesn't smell the same as the cheesecake one, but it still smells good. Look at that. It's so soft, guys, especially on the bottom. It's just sensory bliss right now. Okay, let's open the other one. This is also a sachet torte, but it's the chocolate one. Oh, it is just as soft. Wow. Has the same like texture on the bottom, like breading, chocolate drizzle on the little stars. It doesn't smell exactly like chocolate, but it's close enough. Now I have this beautiful cake collection that I don't plan on redecorating at all, but just to have sit there and admire and occasionally smell and
Not eat.
so if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.
If you like squishies, thumbs up.
If you like squishy hauls, thumbs up. Just hit like. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.